Okay, continuing. So, we have expanded, no, equation 1 and equation 2. Sa kung unsa gyud ang ilang equation. For the inertia force, we have the mass times acceleration, and for the static or elastic restoring force, we have the stiffness times its deformation. Sige. This is the second floor equation, as you have remembered, and we have expanded it into this form. The mass on the second floor times the acceleration of the second floor plus the stiffness of the second floor columns, or the columns supporting our second floor, times its deformation. Again, the deformation of the column is just U2 minus U1 is equal to P2. And then we distribute this, mo ning itsura. You have the K2U2 minus K2U1. But take note, in MDOF, we are going to write this in this form. Di siya as mass times acceleration, but as responses times this. So later ato ni siyang kuno inyon makita nganong kinahanglan yun gingana. So we have our U2, the acceleration at second floor times the mass, plus U1 times negative K2 plus U2 times K2. So kinyon mamatigdan kaning minus K2 times U1, gipagawas na to si U1, and then we factored out U1, and then si negative atong gipak carry ni K2. For the first floor equations, mamano siya ito nakuha nga first floor equations, and then we expanded it to their original, or to their equations in this form ni itsura, and then we distributed everything. So this part remains the same, but this one ato siyang gi-distribute. So mo nang iani itsura. And then we combine like terms. So we have the U1 M1, and then we have the U1 times the quantity of K1 plus K2. So nang ano man, we have this U1 and U1 there. And then giuba na to sila because we're going to factor out the response. So U1, that is for the first floor, and U2 for the second floor. Now, we're going to write the second floor and first floor equations in this ingani form. Ibabaw si first floor, ikaduha si second floor. How about if 3-story? Sumpay na sad ni siya pang third floor sa ubos. How about a 4-story? Sumpay na sad sa ubos. No, that's what will happen. Karon kaning first part no kanang first floor equation, atong gusto buhaton karon is gusto na to makita nga naapoy responses lugar ni second floor sa first floor. Unsa may atong ibutang? Instead of just this one, gidugangan na to og U2. However, since there is no mass in the second floor, that's why it is 0. So ngano man later on sa atong expansion ato ni siya magamit. But again, this is just 0 nga naman. U double dot times 0, we are just going back, we will go back to this equation because of the 0. They are just the same. And then, the rest is just the same. Now, next is how about, for the second floor equations, na po tayo idugang this part. No, para na po tayo kuhan response acceleration for the first floor kang second floor. However, the mass is 0 because there is no mass of the first floor. Wala may mass the first floor sa second floor. That's the reason. And then we arrange that one there. Now, if you look closely, yan siya. Ato na siyang mabungkag. And then, this is a system of linear equation. If you remember in your numericals, we call this a system of linear equation. System of linear equations. And the system of linear equation can be transformed into a matrix form. So, muna itong gingan siya pagsulat is because ato siya mapakita sa matrix. So, we have our M1 here, our 0, or 0, 0, M2, times this part here. Sir, parehara ba na sila? Yes, they are just the same. So, applying matrix multiplication, we have the row times the column, right? So row M1 times the column U double dot 1 plus row 0 times the column U double dot 2. So they will just go back to their original form, right? They're just the same. But ato lang siya i-convert into matrix form for ease of calculation. Sige. Same as well with this part for our stiffness. Now we have the K1 plus K2, negative K2, negative K2, and K2. Sige. Ato din silang pangalanan. Kaninga part, we call this our vectors, no? This is the force vector. Again, when we say vector, we have a magnitude and direction as well. About this one, this is a deformation vector. We call this our deformation vector. And then here we call this our acceleration vector. Unsa may tawag aning uban kaning nakang mass og stiffness. This part we call this the mass matrix. Mao na nitong tawag niya mass matrix. Symbol niya is this one. And this part we're going to call this our stiffness matrix. Our symbol niya is this one. So this one they can be written or simplified in this form: the mass matrix times the response acceleration or the acceleration vector plus the stiffness matrix times the deformation vector is equal to the force vector. Now, this is quite similar na sa tong equation of motion in the SDOF system. No, mura siya gingani yung form. No, mass times acceleration plus Ku is equal to Pt. Undamp nga vibration. Now, if our dynamic force P is equal to 0, ingani na din itsura. The mass matrix times the response or the acceleration vector plus the stiffness matrix times deformation vector is equal to, we don't call this a 0 if this is in matrix form. We call this null vector. So later on with our calculations for the mode shape, inyo makita unsa itsura di ay ni null vector. Ngayon di siya 0. So this is the null vector. And this is an undamped free vibration MDOF system.